Click the .exe file to start installation and select your preferred language. Enter the activation code, click Activate, and click Next after activation succeeded. In folder exists, click Yes, then click Next. Click Install, and the software installation will be completed. After installation, the simulator opens automatically for use. Add the text you want. The following print content is for demonstration purposes only. After editing the print content, click File on the home page. On Edit File page, find the content you just edited, File 01, and click Export. After successfully export appears, right-click the icon and select Open File Location. Open the Ment USB folder, then the USB folder, and find File 01. Copy File 01 and paste it into your USB flash drive. Insert USB drive into the printer, click File, and then click Import. In File Manager, select your file, click Confirm, then press the orange button to return. On the home page, click Print to start printing.